I've been meaning to do a standalone video on, so I'm going to clip this out so that people can see this. The way that this part is zigzag, this is how it comes from the manufacturer. It keeps the lace intact, the part intact. This is for packaging. When you get it, you do want to mess this part up. You don't want to leave it in this zigzaggy type pattern. So I'm going to take my Renee Paris wig brush, which you can get on my website, and just sort of comb through that part and sort of mess it up. It is not meant to stay that way. And if it does stay that way, it might really may not alert other people, but it'll definitely alert other wig wearers that you're wearing a wig. So that's something you definitely want to do, is to sort of run through that part, and have it look more natural by it not being zigzag. So I always forget to say that, so I wanted to give that little tip.